Hi guys, it's Elliot here from Elliot FPV Reviews, and today I'll be looking at the new, or new for me at least, SkyRc e450. So this is a multi-chemistry charger that can charge a 2 to 4S LiPo lithium phosphate battery or a high voltage lithium battery, and can as well charge nickel metal hydride batteries. And it has a rated output of 50 watts or 4 amps. So yeah, there's not a lot to see on the outside of the box. You just see which plug you have and yeah, some specifications, but that's not that interesting. So once we open the box, pretty simple box, yeah. We're greeted with the XT60 charging plug with these banana leads. It seems to be of good quality. It's silicon wire, so that's always nice. Then the next thing you get is a wall plug. So this only takes AC electricity, so you can't use this charger at the field and charge from a big battery. That's not possible. So you need to have alternating current. And then lastly, here in the box we get the charger itself. So I'll throw away the box. And yeah, it's just a simple little brick. It doesn't have a screen or anything, just like 4 LEDs, a switch, and yeah, a toggle switch. And on here we see the charging ports, so the negative and the positive side. These are balance plugs. On the back, yeah, just a warning label, and I don't think there's anything. Oh yeah, there's the AC input underneath. So yeah, as you can see, and on this side it's empty, and on the bottom it just has some holes for ventilation. So yeah, I guess we should test it out. So I just plug in the cable on the other end in my wall outlet, and I will plug this in. So it's a pretty tight fit, and there it goes. So okay, now the lithium polymer setting is selected. As you can see right here, you can choose at what amperage the battery will charge, so 1 amp, 2 amp, 3 amp, or 4 amps. And with this button you can change the mode. So if you have like a lithium phosphate battery, you press once to change. A high voltage battery, you press again, or a nickel metal hydride, you press again, and then it just goes back. So yeah, it's pretty easy. And here on the bottom you connect the charging lead, so make sure to always put the negative side in the negative plug and the positive in the positive. So now we have this, and I guess we can try it out with the battery. So yeah, I've got this battery here. It's just a Racing Drone 1300 Ace pack. So I'll select like 1 amp just to test it. Then I'll plug in the battery. Come on, up, like that. And to charge the battery, you just need to plug in the balance port, and it's I think it just started charging. So yeah, now the green light is blinking, and this means that the charger is charging. And when it stops blinking and becomes static, then you know your battery has charged. So yeah, this is a little easy charger. If you need just the minimum amount of features, this is all you need. So yeah, I hope this was helpful, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.